one of the things we were just talking about is some of the new features around interactive design and reporting. So the first thing that I wanted to highlight is if you see up at the top of this dashboard, it says filter up here. So previously, for those of you who are familiar with DealCloud, we have dashboards that have lots of different components or what we call widgets on them, right? So this dashboard has these three charts up here at the top, right? It has this kind of list of active deals here at the bottom. And previously, if I wanted to filter this, I kind of had to do this for each individual widget, right? If I wanted to filter this list of deals, I would use this filter icon, right? If I wanted to filter through any of these charts and graphs, I can still do that, of course, right? But I'm doing that within the confines of each individual widget within the dashboard. What this new enhancement allows me to do is basically think about this as like a master filter that governs every widget on this dashboard. So as an example, if I was looking at our deal pipeline dashboard here, and I wanted to filter this entire thing for just deals that are in the healthcare sector, I can apply that filter, and now that governs everything that you see here, all these different charts and graphs, all of the deals in the list view kind of down below.